I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100%.
When people wonder why they don't wear collars in the house.
Bo, leave it. Good boy, good boy.
Stop taking my chips! Stop taking my chips, okay?
Okay.
Pretend to fall in front of your dog and see what they do.
She picked the hot pink. Oh, Brownie. He picked red. Harley. Oh, he picked yellow. She picked purple. Scarlet. Come here. He picked blue. This is Hershey. Bentley picked blue. He picked green. This is Buddy. And then Freddie gets orange.
Do you think that I'm adorable? Press the button if you think that I'm adorable.
It was about 5 months ago that Mum and Dad brought home a potato that resembled a mini-human, wrapped up as a burrito. Sometimes I wonder why it's still here.
I'm sorry for shedding, but shedding's what I do. Doggy hairs are everywhere and they're all over you. I still think I'm pretty, you think I'm pretty too. Now I'm just gonna sit right here and shed all over you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
No. Stop. Stop. Brody. Shh. Me voy a matar, te me voy a matar. Me voy a matar. Penny, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó, Penny? Por atrás, ahí voy.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme!
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Slowly approach your dog, and then do a little jump at the end.
What does Digby want? I'm sorry, sir. Food is all done. Food's all done. Do you want something else? What do you want? You're in a mood today, aren't you?
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
My bedtime says at 8. But I don't go to bed. Cause I'm the boss.
Respect. Power.
Banana.
Banana.
What's up, dude?
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little fluster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
What can your pet do that's super cute? I'll go first. Wipe your feet. Wipe them again. Okay, show me. Good boy.
Water, earth, fire, air.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird? I'll go first.
Cooper.
Charlie.
Yes? Hey.